One virgin, one baby virgin. Say no, never chop woman before. You did 35, 50 years, you never chop woman, you no be winch. No be winch, you be. You did 50 years. Your blood, they run for your vein. Choosing pastor. Use format of emperor. Saying they protect human being. Now, marry first wife. The wife encountered cancer and die. He married second one. The wife encountered cancer and die. The same choosing man, not even wait, make the second one reach 1 year where they bury them, don't go marry Pino. Because waiting they hungry me to chop, they hungry lamb. Waiting me and you, they chop. As an adult, they hungry, okay choosing. But when baby virgin say no, they hungry lamb. All these fine girls. Even though she never chop one. So they see all these 18, 19, 20, 25 girls. We be see if you see them, they will be like good. When you go see them, just man, okay. I want to go okay. Who are you talking to? You cannot cheat nature. Even when they created Catholic Church, they know that man, when they notice that man cannot stay with that woman, they created Reverend sisters. Join them with Reverend Fathers so that Reverend Fathers will be themselves. As they create Reverend Fathers, they notice that man cannot stay alone. They create Reverend sisters. They come the Reverend sisters, and as they wear white on our business that they do. As the two of them wear white, nothing will even come to your mind. Say that they do ta. You won't even remember say Reverend Father and sister they do ta. So two of them now bucket in iron. They don't be human being. Prayer warriors. Prayer warriors. Sister Mary Ave Maria. Brother Ave. Atito DJ nande bebe apiako onwe onu nwezi o na-eche chim na-echere ma ọbarụrụ na na-echegbu onwe ma ochim na-echere ma ọbarụrụ na na-eche nwa Ave Maria na-echere ma ọbarụrụ na na-echegbu onwe ma jụọ na-echere ma abarụrụ na m na-echewa ochum Israel na-echere onye Igbo abarụrụ na na-echegbu onwe ya rakabashindala korotobala basha yende reke lepa sindala balaba yekendela saba oh chakababa kanda se kanda in a God of Israel. Every Israeli citizen receives salary, whether working or not, every month. So chaplet on. You don't know that the chaplet you are holding in Africa, made in China, that you have already paid a tax over that chaplet you are holding to Chinese government, and ask the Chinese government to use the money and develop their country. God of Israel, go and ask anybody living in Israel. You cannot build any house now in Israel without that house having underground bunker. Underground bunker. You cannot build any house this 21st century now in Israel without building underground bunker where they run to if there is an attack. Undestroyable room. Do you know about this? No. Neya kana barata mwatoro nobe neya kana barata hey Nwachukwu onye kechiri gị mụta nwa onye ji gị mụta nwa who say you never give birth in your family? I begin to cast it, begin to bind it. I cast, pray. There is nobody holding you not to conceive. Nobody has the power to hold your womb not to conceive unless a medical doctor that can give you medication, that can put what a family plan in your body, in your hands. They will put something in your hands here, and it will now affect your that you cannot even conceive because of the family plan. But they put it inside your hand, though, for hand, and that is not a miracle for you. You are looking for somebody who is crippled that will work. That's why TB Joshua wiped all of you, wiped your pocket. As you go TB Joshua finish, your family done better than every family in your village. Yo, you know, the Satan you could not kill in 2025 is still what we are pushing 2026. You know well. Imagine African youth. You could not kill Satan 2025. You came back this 2026 to pursue the same Satan. You know well, oh. Black is blind, my brother. Empty head. Ndokbo. Juna Spain, Brooke Bishi, Naje Church. June India, Brooke Bishi, can I gend the Bible what they told on India? Now for all higher, Tom, I got the Bible. May many have a Bible now, way being from Nigeria. Haswag, you are blessed. Mama came from the street of Esher, on the same you are blessed. No pastor. A bag and no man and the Bible gaff. What money better Esher country with Tanyoma, and I be a pastor on Esher country. Each of your share got your beer share, not to all where no one I have no where or you go to say Bible.
Format. Go to format.
You go buy format. Come they tell you are blessed. Now streets of Cambodia can I say I'm blessed. In the streets of Indonesia, can I am blessed. You are pastor. Look at when Oduheje came now. They use it for business. When they were sharing the money, you wanted to bring problem for them now. Your big pastors there, Nigerians there in Indonesia, they arrange him to come. They divide the money where they make. And who let her cry? No, now because Oduheje exposed every one of you there. And immediately Oduheje left. Police started arresting you guys like animals. If you see we're 40 years old man from my country is running for police. Jumping fence in abroad. Jumping fence. Because he don't want to go back to his motherland. I wish all country, all the whole Western world will ask the whole blacks to go to their village. Let them go and fix their country. You know, I will celebrate it. All of them, including my brothers and sisters who are living in over, go back and fix your country. All of us come here. No, they suffer. You are praying. Why American hands is in? You are praying. Why Israeli hands is inside? Defending their country. You are here calling God of Israel. Can you marry? Can you marry Egypt and Grace? You can't even nege motalege. That picture of Virgin Maria that you guys are bowing down for. Paint that picture black now. No black man will bow down to it. God, Angel Michael visited Virgin Maria. When you read that Bible, you know that all of you who is a Christian doesn't have common sense. Do you have a common sense? And the professor in Africa will be brainwashed by a pastor to lift up his phone for miracle money. Professor in Africa will lift up his phone to receive miracle alert. A pastor will brainwash a professor in Africa to lift up his phone in order to receive miracle alert. And the professor will do that. And somebody want to make me believe that God giveth words. So God gave me everything I have today. And I allow pregnant mothers to be hawking pure water. Is that what you want me to believe? I can't celebrate it. I cannot. Money is man's ideology. Money is made by man, not any spirit. Money is not spiritual. There is no spirit exist anywhere to make anything happen. Man controls this world. Obasanjo gathered the community in Bayelsa, commanded the army to shoot them to death. They were all shot to death. Both their God and the Juju and everything were shot to death. Obasanjo is still bouncing now, celebrating 80-something years old. That's why our ancestors told you that the way you lay your mouth is how you're going to lie on it. That is bigger than Deuteronomy and Corinthians you are reading out of. Powerful word. Here telling me to have faith. You will teach me how that faith works before I will have it again. If you can use faith to charge your phone while your phone runs down, now I will now learn how to have faith. Because if I want to become a mechanic, I learn how to be a mechanic. I will learn it, see that it's working. Then I become a mechanic. You ask me to have faith. You know that get faith. You know follow me to buy fuel 1,500. I'm asking you. You that has faith. Are you not following me to buy fuel 1,000 plus? I should have faith. I should have faith. You that is buying fuel 1, 2. A whole church, somebody now come and scam church. They remove the whole roof in church. Sell the whole zinc. Church where the faith is built. Church where faith get rooms and house and parlor. Store. Where they install faith. So a guy man came there. Guy Jesus. Guy Virgin Maria. Guy in Jamaica and Jehovah. No wonder they say there is a sword in heaven. In Jamaica carry a sword.
They carry a roof.
And Jamaica carry sword for heaven. You they hear they play, they pray. They joke. They told you, which means that heaven there is no peace there. Even Jeremiah can have sword. They tell on a story. May they come perform miracle again. May we see them. May we arrest them. They run away. I chased Nigerian pastor from performing miracle. One baby virgin did his criminal activities as usual, claiming that he healed one woman that she claimed to be blind. But practically every one of you know that it's arranged. Arrange, they can arrange in America anywhere because there is see people in the street there who are jobless. You can give peanut, they will come and practice it. Oh, run and hello. JG people is no more.
They have chain work.
They have chain work. They are networking. Now, what baby virgin? The woman say, I will get my side. She ran straight to inside his bag, bring the bag, open the page, show him date inside the book. A blind person can open the book, show him where the date was written, but you know they see. But they know they see. You know they see. One virgin, one baby virgin. Say no, never chop a woman before. You did 35, 50 years, you never chop a woman, you know be winch. No be winch you be. You did 50 years, you are proud of saying that you have never lived with a woman, you be winch. Even woman is supposed to call you winch. Because you hate woman. You are proud of telling us that you never sleep with a woman at the age of 50. You be winch to womanhood. You hate woman. You did 50 years. Your blood, no, they run for your vein. Choosing pastor. Use format of emperor. Saying they protect human being. Now, marry first wife. The wife encountered cancer and die. He married second one. The wife encountered cancer and die. The same choosing man, not even wait, made the second one reach 1 year where they bury him. Don't go marry Pino. Because waiting the hungry me to chop the hungry lamb. Waiting me and you, they chop. As an adult, the hungry won't choosing. But when baby virgin say no, the hungry. All these fine girls. Even though she never chop one. So you know they see all these 18, 19, 20, 25 girls. We be see if you see them, they will be like good. When virgin go see them just man, okay. I want to go okay. Who are you talking to? You cannot cheat nature. Even when they created Catholic Church, they know that man, when they notice that man cannot stay without woman, they create Reverend sisters. Join them with Reverend Fathers so that Reverend Fathers themselves. As they create Reverend Fathers, they notice that man cannot stay alone. They create Reverend sisters. They come the serve sisters and as they wear white on our business that they do, as the two of them wear white, nothing will even come to your mind say that they do ta. You won't even remember say Reverend Father and sister they do ta. So two of them now pocket and iron, they don't be human being. They don't have feeling. They don't get feeling with the temugu. Oh, you are happy that your pastor have never have before, and you too they have. Are you not a winch? You are bragging that your father, your pastor, never touched woman before. But you, every Sunday, they carry woman. Your pastor say you never marry. Where you supposed to be holding wedge. I leave married people to be chopping the thing. But you as the single, now you they chop past people where don't marry. Nature, where mighty create, where human be inherited as one of the most sweetest something on this earth. Maybe say, if you do and finish, your brain go. Be like say they come out one load for your for your head. Maybe you know they like them.
Well, why is it that if you're not working,
but
you as a reverend?
But if your Odogu is not working, you won't be a reverend father. They will say you are not complete. They use our brain. We'll be mugu. You carry our money, build expensive university. Our children cannot attend. You tell us, say, we will have faith. Or you teach me faith. Let me bring Christians in that can teach me what faith is. Because no spiritual king. I'm about spiritual. I call me about spiritual. They whine me. They whine me. Tell me, say, God will say. God will tell you. God did not see me to tell me. God cannot see me to tell me. Now you where God go send message, when you send me, you collect my money. God need money all the time from me. God wants money from me all the time. He need money.